for the dayok. Ooh, yum yum. And for the ginamos. So, pili lang. So, kani siya, ako ni siyang giluto. Kani wala. So, this is fresh from the dagat pagigay. Yum yum. Manga!
What is it made of?
Of lamang loob ng fish.
I don't know. Let me just eat the fish and not the lamang loob.
The ginamos is so maalat.
Oh yeah. Mango, but it's tissue wrapped.
The dayok.
Mango, but it's tissue wrapped. Ginamos taste test.
Maalat din. Parat po ang kuam dayok. Pero na siya ay
Parat nga dami.
na siya murag kanang bitsim na flavor.
I literally see something moving in the dayok. Let me try this. Ma, I see something. I
So
see
good.
something moving. Oh yeah, it's good.
So good the dayok.
I see something moving in the dayok.
Huh?
I see something moving in the dayok.
Ano man?
Dayok taste test.
Wala man.
It's so good. I like the ginamos as well.
Mga lamang loob ang yung dayok ko.
See? Where is that? Then the dayok. The mango isn't that sour. Dayok. Both are good.
Ang kung itisnog din mo siya sa ginamos mo siya pang commercial. So sa dayok lang siya, pang kuan na siya. Pang sito gani.
Let's get another Here's a manga. It is a mango.
Fruit na yung banana dyan.
Mantika lang ang asa ginamos.
Okay, so Jenly is trying the
Dayok.
dayok as well. Go daughter.
Here's her other daughter.
So what can you say about it, Jenly?
Maasim. Is it
So man,
good?
wala kayo reaction. The dayok is good. No, ganahan siya sa dayok, guys.
At least try the ginamos, Jen.
Dig in, dig in, dig in.
Dig and niggers. Iba. Para big piece. Big piece. Okay.
May kubal.
Oh, I can't pick it up.
Di ba? Jenly is eating too, guys. Eating the yolk. You can also try this langga, oh.
French fried fish.
Lamiig na yung sili tal. You have some sili there.
I don't think we can have that spice tolerance, mother.
Okay. So, Tanyil is having second thoughts. Bakit diri Tan? Life having 3 children, diba?
3 children. Ingon ka na, 4 children.
Naika fourth coming.
Yay! Another Jinli. Si Jinli, ganghan kay sa Dayok. Hindi piyang magkamot. Dayok.
Dayok.
Na Korean. Dayok.
Dayok ka Jenly, oh. Dayok yung bet. Diba?
This one's the Dayok. This one's the Ginamos. Me is the Ginamos. I honestly like the Ginamos.
Wow. The Dayok is so good.
Having this after school is so having this after school is if there was only 4 of
Mas
us
maayo
in
ang mga
class.
maugdayok karon kaysa katong sa previous.
because we
Clean kay ila ang dayok. Katong sa previous nga ilang dayok kay hindi na ko bet.
tayo kay hugaw.
Karon okay mag pink jud ang dayok ba.
That's very maasim. But it's good maasim.
Yeah. Lama. That's so salty.
Having this after school is a
But I
recommendation.
only like mangoes with mustard. 6, 7.
Dayok.
Kasi mango.
Mango.
Mustard.
I only like mango and mustard
Boot
all
na.
together.
Kaya mo na, Jen.
Ay, dili na siya kay nahulog naman sa kano. So this is a very maarte kid.
Gusto niya, bago tanan.
Ang pagbutang ng sabaw iyang luto, di siya ganahan. Dapat separated yun. Then pagbutangan ni mo sabaw accidentally, kanon.
Kana good nagpasa likod.
Uy,
Ano lang, we.
paglaway mo mga langawa mo, may labo.
Life in the bukid is so mahangin. Fresh lang.
Bukid di ay ni.
Yeah.
So good.
If you have a car, very convenient.
Very
Kaya naman kay transportation. Pero kung wala kay kuan,
So good.
vehicle,
Without
so difficult.
it's flies.
There are a lot of flies. Oh no.
There's so many flies, but there's actually no mosquitoes here. There's barely any mosquitoes.
There's not many flies gali karon. Karon di ka to pareha sa atong first pagkuan. Daniel.
These two always fight for the randomest reason, and I will have to shut them both up.
fuck nigga.
Uy. Ba.
I said fuck neck hurts. My neck hurts.
Shut up. Do you want to smell this?
No. Absolutely not. Did you shower?
No, I have not. So it has the most funky smell.
Yeah,
You want that?
it's probably the most reasonable no of my life.
From your mother.
It's very good, you guys. This is very recommended. Oh my god, isn't that?
Jen is gonna get some stomach ache later. Like that, my love?
That's very sour. Good sour though. Finger licking good.
Were you dipping? Is it good with dayok and my?
They're both salty.
Try the dayok.
I already did.
Si Daniel ba? He has a lot to say about the dayok. He hasn't even tried it yet.
No! You put dayok
It's-
in my eyes. That hurts.
This we have a lot of mango trees.
But
And-
we bought.
I
We
hate
had to
neck
buy
hurts.
mango.
I hate neck hurts.
There's like no bunga yet.
Like neck hurts are so bad. I
And it's a
don't
very
like
big
neck
tree as
hurts.
well. It's damn thick. We're literally under it right now and it expands to there.
No.
And from the back as well because
The langaw is...
the trunk is right there. It's kind of going like this.
Knee guard.
So good at explaining trees. Why is my cheeks like that?
I don't care.
Look,
I'm so good of not saying the N word.
I literally said it like 5 minutes ago.
No,
So I'd like you to rate the ginamos because...
I only
those
said
are-
knee
we're
guard
almost
and
out of
neck hurt.
ginamos.
Knee guard.
But can you rate the ginamos 1 to 10?
10.
Rated the yok.
9.
9.
Ay, delay.
6-7. Ang Dayok 6 dayo na. Ang Ginamo 7. 6-7.
I rate the ginamos at 10. The dayok.
Yok.
Ma,
The dayok.
Ma, gusto ko
probably
magnakaw
like
ta
an
sa magnakaw
The yok
ta
is
sa
really good.
gusto ko magnakaw ta sa 6-7 restaurant.
Hmm?
Gusto
Asan na dapat?
dito sa Manila.
Oh my God.
Ay, kwarta. My skin is so highlighted in this.
Your skin is not highlighted. It's blacker than the black hole.
Should pray your mom get rich.
Okay. I hope mom get rich. Okay.
Okay. So I can bring you anywhere you like.
Okay. We wouldn't even have the time for that. So I'm just happy for our life right now. Because if you had more work, that would probably mean less time.
Really.
But it would still be the
I'm gonna
same.
ask. I'm gonna hire a lot of employees to do the job
Ow!
for me.
What the hell? Why'd you do that? Shut up now, beauty.
Hmm. Oh, see?
I have no choice but to eat.
Stop it, knee guard.
Say bye na to the vlog. Bye.
Bye.
No.
I hope you guys get rich and get money like my mom.
Donate. Donate to us.
Donate na. Grabe, galiso na juga yun dahil.
Donate to not racist people.
Bye.
Bye.